don't want to wake up because in order to leave your house at night, you still gotta get up at like 8. Why? People just don't want to get up.
$5?
Gosh, I swear.
It's good?
It's so easy.
Yeah, it's fun, huh? Roll it. Can't leave it from there.
Oh, take it again with Kelly on top of me.
Yeah, 360. Yeah, everyone's in it.
Alright, that's a before picture. Shot.
I want to steal the onesie. That comes with 3 shots.
Steal it.
I can afford that.
Everybody put up your gift for Ken Lee. And you have to give me a dick massage unless you do a shot.
Merry Christmas, everyone.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Happy Christmas. Happy holidays.
Happy Christmas. My son.
It's like drinking gasoline. Over there?
Yeah, it's at the very end. You'll see it.
Oh, okay.
Water spouts out. If you wait there a bit, it'll eventually spout super high.
Oh. Gracias.
¿Ya me pagaron?